Sishatuman Binti and I'm reading class 10. My school's name is Bornamala Dushu School. First of all, thank you so much to all of you guys for coming here. Thanks to our special guest, Janab Alhaz Muhammad Nazrul Islam. Also our another special guest, Janab Haji Muhammad Karim Polwan, Janab Haji Muhammad Fazul Haq, Janab Muhammad Imtiaz Ahmed Shaheen, Janab Haji Muhammad Mehdi Rana Shohid, Janab Muhammad Rashidul Islam Russell, Janab Haji Muhammad Delal Hossain, Janab Muhammad Shohel Mia, and also our chairman of the school, Janab Muhammad Salim Mia. Thank you very much for coming here. Anyway, today I'm giving a speech, but here I also want to mention that I feel very emotional and very nostalgic because it is my last sports day. And I feel very glad to be here because my teachers give me this great opportunity. Thank you very much, my dear teachers. And thanks to all guardians, teachers, juniors, seniors, my dear classmates, every student in here for coming here. So today we're going to talk about never giving up. Life is not always easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you want to stop. But don't give up. Every step forward is progress. Even small steps is also very matterable. When you feel full back up, remember, failure is not the end. It's just a lesson. Success takes time and effort. It will not happen in overtime or overnight. But keep trying. You will win and you will reach your goals. And when things get hard, remember why you started. Focus on your dreams. The road will be difficult and each struggle makes you strong and stronger. You are very stronger than you think. You are more capable for this. Even when you feel like giving up, think how far you have come here. Keep moving forward, closer. You think and believe in yourself. Stay positive and stay strong because your dreams are well the road to fight. Never give up because success is the near. And I hope all of you guys in here enjoyed my speech and understood my speech. Thanks for listening to my speech and thanks to again all our chief guests for coming here. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.